Welcome everyone. Today's session is about how organizations can improve collaboration, transparency, and execution using Lean Team Player on the 3DExperience platform. Whether you are managing engineering projects, manufacturing improvement initiatives, quality programs, or digital transformation, Lean Team Player provides visual planning and team collaboration in a simple yet powerful way. So this will be our agenda today. We'll begin with the business challenges organizations face today, then explore how Lean Team Player addresses those challenges through visual collaboration and lean execution. So this will be our agenda. We'll see what are all the business challenges, what is lean principles, what is Lean Team Player, what is the platform architecture all about, what are its core features. We'll see a live example of how this Lean Team Player gets executed, what are the business benefits, industry use cases, how it gets integrated with 3DExperience platform. Then we are open to the question section. So these are the current business challenges. Many companies still rely on Excel sheets, emails, and whiteboards. The information is scattered. Management doesn't have real-time visibility. Teams spend more time searching for information than executing their work. So today's team struggle with, as said, they have multiple disconnected spreadsheets. The tasks are completely email-based. The trackings are done via emails completely. You have a very lack of visibility. You have no visibility on the status of each and every task. There is a delay in decision making. You have poor collaboration. The deadlines are being missed. The meetings which you organize are being inefficient. Then you have conflicts on assigning resources for each and every task or every task which is being generated an outcome of a particular meeting. So what is lean? Lean is not about working harder. It is about removing waste from the processes. Lean Team Player digitizes these lean practices and makes collaboration visible across the organization. So lean means deliver more value with less waste. So what this lean principle eliminates? It eliminates waiting, rework, overproduction, unnecessary meetings, excess documentations, and poor communication. So your lean principle eliminates all these factors digitally. So what is this Lean Team Player, 3DExperience Lean Team Player all about? Think of a Lean Team Player as a digital lean room. So instead of having sticky notes on the physical wall, everything becomes collaborative, connected, and available anywhere. So Lean Team Player is a collaborative planning solution. It has digital whiteboards. You have Kanban task board, team planning. You have visual management, agile collaboration, continuous improvement. So all these features are available out of the box inside this 3DExperience platform. So where a Lean Team Player fits? So the Lean Team Player bridges the gap between planning and execution. So everyone from management to engineering team works from the same source of truth. So you have an idea, you have to plan how that idea is, you have to devise a plan to execute those ideas. In order to have a plan, the plan can be simply broken down into tasks. So those tasks will get into an execution, and those execution, the end result of all those tasks will get reviewed. And based on those reviews, in case if there is a room for continuous improvement, those ideas will be enhanced, or it will go for a further shaping process completely. So Lean Team Player connects everyone digitally. So these are the key capabilities. So you have Kanban boards, where you can perform task management. You have visual planning. You have team dashboards. You can have dashboards which will tell you what are the status of each tasks. You can have dashboards dedicated to each resource, individual resources. Then you have digital sticky notes rather than having a physical sticky note, which we usually stick it to our cubicle or any glass wall or any in our work area. So we have digital sticky notes here. So in order to identify an action which is being identified or an action which is to be performed can be easily tracked. Then you have daily stand-up meetings. So you want meetings to be organized day in, day out. You want repetitive meetings. You want recursive meetings to happen. You have these daily stand-up options which is available. Then you can have agile sprint boards. Then there is always room for your continuous improvement. So you want continuous improvements on your on your product or an idea which you have devised completely. There is always room for continuous improvement, and you can have this lean team player as a handy solution to record all those continuous improvements from all your organizations, right from engineering till manufacturing and even after sales. So all these capabilities help your teams visualize work, identify bottlenecks, and improve continuously. So what is the use of digital whiteboards? So instead of physical whiteboards, everyone collaborates digitally, even remote teams. Even if a person is not available in your office premises, he is working in a hybrid environment or a work from home environment, even he has access to this digital whiteboard, everything. So by making use of this digital whiteboard, you can have brainstorming sessions, you can organize workshops, you can have team meetings, you can perform project planning meetings, your project execution meetings, your project status meetings. You can have retrospectives planned. Then you can have any problem solving meetings. For example, you have engineering change which has come to your table, which has come to your desk or come to your attention. So that is one of a problem which the manufacturing team or any cross-functional team would have identified. So in order to patch all those problems, you have the capability where you can have problem solving meetings as well. So all these ideas remain captured, and all those ideas remain searchable as well. So at any point of time, even after the meeting is concluded, you have the option where you can search for the particular issue or problem or the task which you have created with respect to the particular meeting. Then you have Kanban planning. So Kanban is one of the easiest way to improve your workflow. Teams instantly know what needs attention actually. So the managers identify the bottlenecks immediately. So there is no need of performing any deep dive. So once they're logging, they'll get to see this Kanban board. From this Kanban board, they can easily get to see which are all the tasks that are running delayed, which are the tasks that are running in advance. So what are the tasks that has been planned today? So what are the list of tasks that has been completed? So everything will be available right at the screen on a mouse click. Then you have team task management. So with this lean team player, it is not that you can assign only individual tasks. So you can group 2 or 3 individuals or resources together as a team, and you can assign team-based tasks as well. Those tasks can have priorities. You can set priorities. You can mention what is the deliverable that needs to be delivered as a result of this particular execution of this particular task. You can set what is the plan date, you can give them a deadline, you can set them priorities. If there is any certain dependencies, you can make sure all those dependencies are met, or all those dependencies are looked into. So all these stuff can be completely completely configured using this team task management. So with this team task management, you can assign tasks, you can set due dates, you can mention who is the owner of that particular task, you can set priorities, dependencies. Then you have an inbuilt notification center which notifies the end users or the resources about the list of tasks that they need to perform, list of tasks that has been assigned to them, and also the list of task which has been completed, where the owners will receive the notification where if there is a particular task which is being completed. Then the end users ultimately have the option to track the progress of each and every task as well completely. So in addition to individual task allocation, you have an option where you can assign team task as well using this 3DExperience Lean Team Player. Then you have visual dashboards completely. So based on this visual dashboards, you can get to see the list of open tasks. So what are the list of tasks that has been completed? What are the list of delayed activities which are not completed within the given time frame? So you can get to see all these details in a graphical dashboard completely. Then you can get to see what is the capacity of the team. You can monitor, you can set KPIs, you can monitor the KPIs. You can have progress of each and every meeting or the task which is assigned as a result of a meeting, an action which is to be performed post meeting. So all these steps can be completely captured using this visual dashboards completely. So each task has complete ownership. So everyone knows who is responsible when the work should be completed. Then you have meeting management options where meeting becomes action oriented here. So no more manually tracking your minutes of meeting. So the usual practice is post meeting, the organizer of the meeting creates a minutes of meeting document. He'll document what are all the list of points that was discussed. So what will be the result of the points which are discussed, who will be the responsible for performing all those actions. So everything will be documented by a meeting organizer or a dedicated team who will take care of this, who will take care of organizing these meetings. It can be your internal meetings as well as external meetings with other stakeholders as well. So that you don't have no more manual tracking of your meeting minutes, and any action with respect to that particular meeting, the action is always visible to everyone. So instead of having your minutes of meeting, action list and emails, you can have shared action boards, and you have real-time updates which will be showcasing you in the upcoming slides in a live demonstration of the product. Then in case if you are an existing user of our 3DExperience platform, in that case the Lean Team Player is not a standalone application. It is a solution which is available out of the box within our 3DExperience platform, cloud-based platform actually. So it connects seamlessly with the rest of the 3DExperience platform as well. So you can use this 3DExperience Lean Team Player. You can connect it to your design team. You can link it to your simulation-based teams, manufacturing, your project planning, your requirements team. You can discuss issues. You can have documents. You can create communities. You can integrate with your communities. So all these type of integrations all these are options that are available within 3DExperience, and your Lean Team Player is capable of integrating with each of these applications or roles which are available within this 3DExperience platform. Then now comes the business benefits. So organizations typically see faster execution and improved transparency when they're using this Lean Team Player. So team spends more time delivering the value. So these are the list of these are some of the benefits which you have listed here. So you have reduced the meetings, the visibility is improved, there is faster decision makings which are being made, you can collaborate, better collaboration, any resource or any person or any stakeholder can be collaborated. It can be right from your engineering team till your after sales. Even you can invite your external stakeholders like customers, your vendors, suppliers. So any person can be a part of your lean team player environment. So by making use of this, you have a better collaboration. The cycle time is cut short. You have higher productivity. You have improved accountability. So any point which needs to be addressed post your meeting, you have accountability. So you assign each and every action item, your problem, everything to a particular resource. So in that case, what happens is your there is an accountability where you can get to see which task is assigned to which resource or person, and that person will be accountable to perform that particular action completely. Then you always have room for your continuous improvement. So why should you choose Lean Team Player? Unlike standard standalone collaboration tools, Lean Team Player is a part of the engineering platform itself. So it is a single platform. You have visual collaboration. The adoption is much easier. It is completely cloud-based. So all you require is a web browser and a valid and a stable internet connectivity. Then you have real-time visibility. At any point of time, you can go to the action board. You can get to see what are all the list of actions that were planned as a result, planned as an outcome of the meeting. So where each action stands. So you have a real-time visibility. Then this Lean Team Player is always scalable. You can start from a limited license, and you can scale it up to based on your requirement completely. Then it is completely integrated, as quoted in my previous slides. You have integration capabilities where you can integrate this Lean Team Player with any of the 3DExperience applications which is available inside the 3DExperience platform. Then moreover, it is completely secured. So this 3DExperience platform has various security standards which it has gone through. So based on all those steps completely, this Lean Team Player is also completely a secured solution where all your details, informations are completely secured within this environment completely. Now in this, I'll take you into this product actually. So in this live demonstration, I'll show you in this demo flow. I'll create a team. I'll create a board. I'll show you how these lean jets. There are something called lean jets which will come into place. I'll show you what the lean jets are all about. Then I'll show you how tasks are being created from a particular meeting, how it is being assigned to a particular resource or a person, how these cards can be used for an analytical purpose, how you can review your dashboards, and how you can track all your progress completely. So whenever you're organizing a meeting, there are three aspects to this meeting actually. So you have to prepare for that particular meeting. You have to be precise on what are all the points which you are about to discuss. What is the meeting all about? What is the agenda of the meeting? Who are all the stakeholders? So all these area needs prior preparation before kicking off a meeting actually. So once we prepare, then we go for the execution of our preparation, which is the meeting. So the meeting happens, we roll out invites to every stakeholder. The meeting happens. So post meeting, what happens is we'll have a set of actions which needs to be performed. So all those actions will be accounted, and we'll be following up with each and every individual. What is the status of each action, so that this meeting can be completely concluded. So these are the three phases, which is prepare, meet, and follow. So Lean Team Player satisfies all these three criteria. So I'll show you the step-by-step phase in which Lean Team Player will satisfy all these three criteria for organizing a particular meeting. So first step will be prepare. So how do I prepare for a particular meeting? In certain organizations, the meetings are prepared. So you'll be having, you'll get to see, you'll prepare who are all the stakeholders. So what is the points that needs to be discussed. So everything will be in a documented format. So whereas here, so this will be our lean team player interface completely. So in this, just a minute. Now what happens is I've configured all my lean jets completely. Now what I'm doing is I'm just choosing these lean jets in a particular order. Maybe this is the area where I can choose my agenda. So what I'm doing is I'm first clicking on my welcome screen. So you can just follow my cursor, and every click what happens is there is an agenda which is getting built up to the an order which is being created to the left of your screen completely. Now here I can make use of this slider completely. This slider is nothing but I can get to tell my team this is the time which I'm going to take to complete this particular meeting. For example, if I'm navigating this slider to a value, say 60, then it ultimately means this particular meeting is going to last for about 60 minutes. So the duration of this meeting can be is planned for 60 minutes. So I can set this agenda in a way that this complete agenda is framed for 60 minutes completely. So this concludes my preparation stage. So in this preparation stage, I'll choose what are all the lead jets that are required to conduct this particular meeting or organize this particular meeting. I'll configure each of these lead jets. Post successful configuration of these lead jets, I can set my agenda in a way. I can set the order of execution of each of these lead jets, and I can set the timer for this particular meeting as well. So in this way, what happens is my preparation stage is all done. So I've prepared for this particular meeting. I'm done with the preparation stage. So next, let's see what happens with the meet. So I prepared for the meeting. So I've invited all the stakeholders to this particular meeting as well. So now let's see how this meet happens here. So now what happens is, so on just on clicking of this particular play item, what happens is my meeting gets started. On the left top as well as on the right top, you can get to see the timer which is being run, the time left to conclude this meeting. The timer of this meeting gets started actually. Gets started actually. So these are the participants that I've invited for this particular meeting. So as you can get to see, there is an option where I can mark the attendance as well. So in case if I'm inviting a particular person, and in order to ensure that he is available or he has attended a particular meeting, on just clicking on that particular person, you can get to see the icon below that particular person's profile picture is turning green. So it means as an end of the meeting, post meeting, you can get to generate the attendance of this particular meeting as well. In this similar way, I can get to in case if I don't want a particular person to be a person who is wrongly invited at any point of time, I can remove that particular participant from that meeting as well. In case if I have another team board which is already defined, I can ultimately make use of all those team boards as well. I can invite the same set of participants to this meeting as well. So in this way, what happens is I have initiated my meeting initially. And then comes the Lean Team Player web page viewer. So this making use of this Lean Jet, what I have done is I am explaining my particular I'm explaining the audience of this particular meeting about what is the use of this particular web page, what is this Lean Team Player all about. Rather than giving just an insight, I can have a direct interaction and show them what is this product all about by just going to this particular web page as well. So by making use of this web page viewer Lean Jet, you can ultimately showcase any web page. It need not be any this thing. It can be any sort of HTML page that is available. You can easily add all those links here completely. So once I've now explained it to my team about the project. Now about this Lean Team Player, next comes the video. I can just run a video showing them what is the product all about. I can just give a short insight of what this Lean Team Player is all about. So rather than explaining them in words, I can just run them through a video and show them what is this Lean Team Player is all about. And in case if there is any just a minute. Then I can make use of this document viewer. I can make use of this highlighter pen where during the course of meeting, in case if I want to grab the user's attention, I can make use of this highlighter, which will highlight that particular line or word for a say limited period of time, and then it goes in an invisible mode. So this is sort of an highlighting tool which is available within this document area. In case if you want to share a particular document to your team or the audience of this particular meeting or stakeholders of this particular meeting, you can make use of this document viewer lean jet as well. Now you have an 3D model which needs to be reviewed. For example, I can have this 3D model. I can call this 3D XML format here. I can mention what is the change that is. These are the sticky notes. I can make use of these sticky notes. This sticky note can be you can either type the text using your keyboard, or in case if you use any latest gadgets such as digital pen or Apple Pencil or anything, you can just have your handwritten text as well. So you can just mention what is the exact change you want to perform. So you can just pinpointedly explain them here. Next comes this action board, where you have to where any person who is part of this particular meeting can create their own sticky notes. So to the right top, you can get to see who is the person who has created this particular sticky note actually. So what happens is, in order to change the pivot, what are all the list of tasks that needs to be performed? So I need to replace the pivot. I need to replace the assembly completely. If I rebuild the assembly completely, then I have to update the drawing. I have to regenerate the bill of material completely. Then I have to update the production drawing as well. So in case if I am going to change the pivot, these are all the list of actionable items that needs to be performed in order to address this particular issue, which has been brought to the event organizer or the meeting organizer's attention completely. So at any point of time, you can take a snapshot of this particular sticky note area as well, or else the area where you can get to see what are all the list of actions, what are all the list of problems that has been identified by each and every person who is being part of this meeting, what are all the list of feedbacks they provide. So all these things can be completely updated here. Then once you have concluded this particular meeting, then comes the follow-up segment, where you follow up, where you find actions which needs to be performed. So you can get to see to the left bottom of the screen, you get to see all the list of sticky notes which were created in each of the by each of the user in our previous slide. Here what happens is, all those sticky notes will get clubbed under waiting area here. You can get to you can just drag and drop each and every note into these areas, where you can get to categorize the task, where you can get to see which are all the tasks that needs to be performed today, tomorrow, day after, etc. You can just drag and drop each and every person. You can assign person here who will be accountable to perform this particular action. You can just drag and drop the user's name on this particular sticky note, and you can ultimately get to see here. In other terms, the Lean Team player has the capability where you can create a collaborative task right from this Lean Team player. So you have an option where you can create a task right from the Lean Team player dashboard itself. So this will be the end user's Kanban board, where he'll get to see what are all the list of tasks that has been assigned to him. So you can just simply make use of this 6W tags. In this 6W tags, you can get to see what is the list of tasks that he needs to perform. So the task which has been assigned to him from the Lean Team player, which is the rebuild the assembly, has been automatically assigned to him as a task. So he needs to work on this particular task, and post successful completion of the task, this particular sticky note or the digital note will be automatically dragged into this done area completely. Then you have any issues which has been captured. So you can make use of these analysis tools completely. Like you can use your Ishikawa diagram. You can make use of this 5Y analysis completely. So you can just make use of these e-notes or the sticky digital sticky notes. You can just create based on this. So who will be the manpower? So what will be the issue? So you can get to analyze what are all the issues actually. So what is the issue? What is the problem actually? So what is required? What is the method of changing? If there is any material which will require change, you can get to you can have digital notes or e-notes created in such a way. Similarly, you have other templates as well. In case if you want to perform a 5-way analysis, you can just replace this template. You have other templates. You can create your 5-way analysis sketches from here as well completely. So this is how your Lean Team Player works functionally completely out of the box. So with respect to your ROI, your expected improvements is about 30 to 50%. Status meetings or follow-up meetings, you can have a reduction of 20 to 40%. Faster decision making gets upsized by 25%. You have high productivity and you have improved collaboration as well. So the summary of this Lean Team Player. Lean Team Player helps you collaborate better, execute faster. You have better improved visibility. You can eliminate your waste completely. You need not have handwritten documents, handheld documents, or trigger any mails digitally. Then you have you can deliver your project successfully. So this is all about the 3DExperience Lean Team Player. So you can still connect with us. So for product informations, updates, webinar and seminar schedules, you can just scan this QR code. It will ultimately take you through a landing page where you can find links to our various media sites. So you can just subscribe and keep connected. You can just connect with us so that we can address your queries and keep you updated on the product completely. So thank you.